Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market opens up anytime now. What I'm going to do is try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. I did trade ISNS in the pre-market for just a quick $40. So let's see what happens. Like I said, market should be opening anytime now. Going for some shares here at 901. Let's see if it can pull back and hit me. I just picture this as one big bullish candle. There we go. I am in, and we'll look to build a bigger position if I can. Let's see if we can get any sort of bounce. You can see $9 really holding up. But now that it's broken, it'll probably pull back some, which is all right. Throw a sell order out there at 910. Well, actually, no, I want to see if it can bounce. Already do have another order down at 860. Only 500 shares on a sub $10 stock, so it's not like I'm distributing a whole bunch of capital. I expect there to be lots of liquidity in this one today. So let's see what happens with it. I will keep you up. There we're getting a pullback here. Let's see if it can pull back and hit the 860s, but I will keep you updated. Okay, we are back up here above 9. Just going to take my 10 cents. So that was another, what, 50. Well, I'm not sure how that worked out. Must have gotten a little bit. They must have been rounding, because I should be up a little bit more than that. And I sold way too soon. So, but it is what it is. Like I said, I wanted a bigger position, and I wasn't sure if it was going to pull back or not, or if it was going to, head this far back up. Had it pulled back some more, I would have been sitting much prettier. So I wanted to start to rebuild. I didn't think it was going to do this. I thought I'd fall back down some more, so I just wanted to get back out so I could try rebuilding again. But I was wrong. It was ready to make the big move right then and there, so there it went. So I'll try to catch some more, but I'm not going to complain. It was still a profitable trade. Still made 10 cents on those shares. So let's see what else I can find. Sorry about that. Just everything happening very quickly. I bought in again at 950 and then sold out quickly. So up to 112 now on the day. I'm going to keep on trading it. I wish I could short this one, but I can't, so I'm going to have to try to play it just from the one side, that being the long. So let's see what happens here. Okay, just a quick little update. I apologize. Everything is happening too fast, and I'm loving it. Great volatility. So I've just been scalping in and out very quickly. So now, 8 minutes in, up just under 138. And, as long as this volatility keeps up like I expect it to, this is a fun one to trade in and out of. What I've been doing and what I'm going to do here is if it pulls back some more, I'm just going to, excuse me, going with the 100 share lots. Might not make the most sense given, it's not exactly, a super, super expensive stock, but it allows me to really be kind of, accurate and, build hopefully a nice size position for any sort of return back up. If it does pull back, I believe that it'll at least come up here and try to retest these areas. So if I can build a nice controlled position on any sort of pullback, it could be a nice little gain. So we'll see what happens, but right now just going to try to build with my first entry at 951. However, at the same time, if it wants to give me quick amounts, then I'll just take those two. So we'll see what happens with it. But again, 951 looking for the first entry point into try to build it. You can see it's getting close. Actually, I can do better than that because it looks like 950 may very well be holding or not hold. So I'm just going to go to 935 and go 300 shares instead. So let's see if I'm right here. Yep, there's the break of that. So let's see if we can hit 935. Well, watching level 2 is okay. I got 200 shares. All right, well, we'll go with 200. I didn't want those, but just because 930, you could tell that it wasn't, or that if that was going to fall, then this was going to continue to happen, which is still fine. I can still try to build the bigger position. So I will keep you updated. All right, this one is just, it's toying all over the place with me. I know it's the computers though too, but I just get out because watching level 2s, There's resistance, and then as soon as I sell, it goes up to like 955 real fast, but it's right back down to where it was. So it's just funny, you know, it's one of those things where you feel like the world's out to get you, but I know it's just computers, and it's just a volatile stock, so you know, it's making me look silly. Like I said, right when I press to sell at 942, it fills me and then goes up to 955, but right back down to where it was. So that just tells me that it's just the computers, you know, the black boxes, all the programs that are trading it, and all over the place. But like I said, very fun one to trade right now. And the thing is, you can still make plenty, you know, little bit of money with just trading small lots. It's not like you have to go in with a huge amount, even though it's a $10, sub $10 stock. You know, plenty of volatility. So yeah, you know, 12 minutes in, up 150 bucks. So not a huge killing, but still a whole day ahead of me. So I'm gonna see if I can keep trading it. Let's see what happens. Big orders in. This was actually at 700. So there's certainly some selling going on here, but there's no doubt some accumulating here too. Like I said, I missed the tail end, but there is a big old order in where 700 was in that box, and these are where you add 2 zeros to whatever you see. So that was a big order sitting there, and it got knocked out. So that tells me there was some selling, but it also tells me there's somebody buying there and accumulating that. So there's some big money that thinks this is going to be going higher. So I'm keeping a close eye on. We'll probably look to try to buy on any sort of breakout from up here. So I will keep you posted. Going for some shares here at 901. Trying to buy on this pullback here. Okay, I'm in. We'll look to sell at 914 or build a bigger position, whichever comes first. But as I said, I like this pullback. I picture this as one big candlestick, and the trend is certainly up. So if I need to add, I will, and I can add, you know, at least in my mind, with confidence, because I like, you know, the overall kind of the flow of the river right now, which is up. So let's see what happens here with it. I will keep you updated. Okay, it's getting somewhat closer to my 914 order. So I got 200 shares and I am all out. So that was what, a 13-cent gain. So very nice. 216 on the day, 15 minutes in. So nice start. Let's see if I can catch some more. Going for some Apple here at 99.90, hoping to take advantage of the stop losses. Ah, darn it. See how fast that jumped right back up into the 20s there? And how low did it actually go? Went as low as 99.90. So I was in the right spot. I just did not get filled. Frustrating, frustrating, frustrating. All right, let's see if I can catch another one. As you can see, I've already traded it once. I was kind of testing just how, you know, kind of liquid things were. But let's see. Sorry, I wanted a quick change that. 99.75 now. 99.90. I feel like I had my opportunity there. And if it's going to go lower, then, you know, I want to buy lower. So no longer interested in that. But frustrating, no doubt. Hit exactly where my order was, didn't get anything, and then bounced that fast back up into would have been a nice trade. Going for some shares here short at 47.20 or 30 on MBLY, and we'll look to cover those for 10 cents or build a bigger. Okay, so I got out. So quick $20, although I would have liked some more, but I can start over again. Gonna try now at 65. Got those. And this one's getting nice and volatile, so this is good. Let's see if I can see if it wants to break over 48. Okay, got 300 at 48.20. This is good. 47.92. Try another 3, so 48.07 now. Trying for some at 48.60. Got those, so 48.20. So quite the move happening right now, but this is why I just ease in. Try for some at 78. 85. Try for some up there in the 40s. So 48.35 is my average. Would like for it to get back up there above 49 again. If I can get some of those. So let's see if it can get down there. I will slowly try to scale out if it can push down into the 30s there. So 40 seems to be some sort of support. All right, I will pause it as this video is now over 10 minutes. I will keep you updated. Okay, now it's pulling back. Well, it was pulling back. So this one is all over the place. So never mind, I'm going to try to get my exit points if I can get those, or any more entry points. So let's see if it can push down or not. I will keep you updated. Okay, my orders got some of them filled. If it pushes back some more, I should be able to get more filled. Let's see if it can push down into the 20s and back up above 50. So I do not like that. I was looking for more of a flushing type move to the downside. So I'll try for some more at 40s. So I was able to lighten my position, but like I said, I was hoping for more of a push to the downside. So I will keep you updated. Okay, there's the move I was looking for. I'm just going to slowly scale out here. Down to 600 shares. This one has some strength behind it, no doubt about that. All right, I will keep you updated. Okay, and I have just 100 shares left. Actually, I take that back. I didn't cancel all my orders out. So let me do that real quick. So now I have 200 shares on the long side because, let's see, at 48, because I didn't cancel all my covering orders. So, but like I said, I just, still a nice little entry because given, so 48.12, let's see if I can just get out some at 22. There we go. And I'll just, so there's that trade, $239. And video's running long, but like I said, just built my position up there, and I had even more orders up in the 49.20s, 49.30 area. So had I gotten those, I would have gotten a better one. However, I was expecting more of a pullback, so that's why I got more aggressive in the profit taking. You heard me commentate through that. I thought there was going to be more of a kind of flushing downwards, but there wasn't. So I just locked in my profits and moved on. Still a very nice trade though. So need to wrap things up. It is 10:07 a.m. So let's see, 465 for just a little over half an hour. Not too bad, and still a long day left. If you want to learn how to trade like this, meaning with candlestick charts, with level 2s, not necessarily day trade, but that's a great thing about charts. You can use them for day trading or swing trading or whatever strategy best fits your schedule. Go to claytrader.com, check out my training section. Offer multiple courses. Also have a private trading group. I send out a weekly newsletter with my private scans. We have a live chat room. You can hang out with me and other traders. Everything's very fairly priced, but I'll be the first to admit I am biased. So read some testimonials and get a good third-party perspective, because those are all unsolicited. And then finally, if you like this video and would like me to keep making them, please click the like button if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on claytrader.com, click the share button up above. Little things like that really go a long way. So I need to wrap things up. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and remember, trade without emotion.